Hey, so if you're watching this video, more than likely is for this guy right here, integrated engineering tuning. I'm doing ECU tuning and TCU tuning. So that's transmission control unit and engine control unit. The purpose of this video is to go through the process of what it's like, what you need, everything that's required to do the tune, how long it takes to do the tune, basically all the details of the tuning process itself. Stage 1 and transmission tune. So that's basically 2 full tunes. Go to this website to download the software. When you get there, you're gonna come down to the bottom. Just be sure to do it on a real laptop. Otherwise, you're gonna get this message. Doing a little bit of a software update right now for the integrated engineering, because you gotta have the plug already. You know, I'm about to plug this up, get this ready. Got my battery tender, about to get this thing started. All I gotta do is connect it, and it's automatically doing everything. So my firmware is out of date because I bought this in sale a while back before I was actually ready to buy the tune. I'm curious what's in the extras. Detecting car. Well, I didn't plug it up to the car. I didn't know I was supposed to right now. Before you begin all the tuning, make sure you set up your battery tender. So pop the hood, of course. Get ready to plug up to positive and negative, as well as external power source. All right, now I got everything connected. Battery, power, computer, OBD2 port. One last thing, don't forget to turn the car on. So let's try this. This will determine what tunes are available for you to flash. So I gotta do engine first. Oh, here we go. Here goes the wait. So I just pushed start and it's going kind of slow. So I guess we just gotta wait. And if you're wondering, you cannot do this on like an iPad or iPhone or something. You have to have a real laptop. So thank goodness I got this laptop, because I don't even use laptops anymore. I use a tablet for all my video editing and everything. During the tune, because you got to have the power on, the lights are going to be draining. This is the reason why having the battery tender is so important. You got to have something to maintain that power. Otherwise, these lights, these fancy HID lights, are going to drain that mess. It's been a little while. I come back. It's not dialing no more. Now it's writing. All right, so this is the next thing. If you have any other modules to flash, please make sure to start car, turn it off, and then back on before starting another flash. And that's it. And all in all, it was about like 30 minutes. And it was super simple. Like requires no experience at all. It's so simple. After that, that was just like the initial setting, you know, for IE's setting your car, like so IE can tune it and modify the ECU and TCU. So I'm gonna start with stage 1. So I chose stage 1, high pressure fuel pump and transmission. I don't think I need 6,900, or maybe let's just stick with the 6,800 RPM. I think I'll take 3,400 RPM launch. So I'm realizing you can only do one tune at a time. So you can't do your DSG and your ECU tune. You can only do the DSG tune, then do the ECU tune. You know, you can do one tune at a time. I thought you could do both. You can do one. So I chose DSG one first. See, it's a DSG. I chose it at 3,000 RPM because the torque can be increased anyway. And at 3,000 RPM is going to be playing, so it's going to be able to let me enjoy the gear a little more. At max, I chose 6,800 RPM. You could do 69. Like right now, it's set at 6, but it's bumped up to damn near 7 now. And before it does it, it asks you if like you want to confirm. I took advantage of the sale, so I got a whole bunch, and then it started doing this. Like everything just like reset. I heard like a lot of some vibrating going on up in here, but it's writing now. And yeah, no, this one's for the DSG. Did it. Okay, I just did the DSG, and I'm kind of excited about doing the stage 1 now, because it's like, just unplug it and just plug it back in and start it back up. I'm sorry, I'm excited. I'm the one that got it, so it's for me. It's for you to just see and decide if you want to get it as well. But I'm excited, so I'm not even gonna worry about driving and see what the DSG is like and then doing the stage 1. I'm doing both at the same time. Why not? Shit. Okay, so one more final time. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna add the stage 1 tune on here now. When I come back, it sees my latest transmission flash. Got 6,800 RPM, 3,000 RPM. So I'm gonna push next. This takes a minute. Now I found out that this one is for if you have the upgraded high pressure fuel pump. If you have the regular high pressure fuel pump, click that one. That's it. After this, you have 0, you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. I didn't go all this way for nothing. Let's do it. Again, it goes through all the warnings and everything, but I expected that. So if I wasn't expecting that, I kind of would be a little nervous. But I anticipated that, so it's okay. You can see it's starting to get dark out. That's how long it's been tuning. I've been working on this. I had to get things set up. TCU first, and then now the ECU. Here we go again. Lights coming on down there. What? What's going on? The screen went down? Oh no. It's nerve-wracking. It's almost done though. Shit. Them things keep on going up. Stop doing it. It's like, turn it off. Please turn it off. Please stop what you're doing. I guess it's the last bit though. Woo, finally. Congratulations, you successfully flashed the car. Same as before. Because, like, to be honest, I've driven Tesla, like the performance, I've ridden them, like driven all kind of performance cars before, but it's different when it's your own car. It's like, that's when it gets real. Yo, I just did some spirited driving around the corner right there. And damn, my first impressions is like, you can definitely tell that the shifts are quicker. You just like, and I feel like it's hard to explain. It's like more of a feeling at first. I'm gonna have to examine it a little bit more, but definitely right away I could tell I like it a little more. I haven't really got it on too much. Just kind of want to take it easy at first. But yeah, I'll keep you updated.